Introducing the Winter Multifunctional Intelligent Oven. This all-in-one, easy-to-use oven allows you to choose between separate functions and modes such as ferment for baking, preheat, yogurt making, air fry, dehydrate, steam, roast, bake, DIY, and descaling. The large capacity water tank holds all of the water needed to steam cook a full meal without interruption. The extra large 40-liter 1.4 cubic foot capacity allows room to cook for the whole family. You can even fit a full-size turkey inside. Multi-level cooking allows you to cook different types of side dishes at once. The dynamic heating and steaming convection system works together with a powerful internal fan to evenly circulate heat throughout the interior to cook food perfectly on all sides every time. Steam cooking helps your food retain valuable nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, and allows the food to maintain optimal moisture levels for peak freshness. Steam cooking also requires no cooking oil to keep your meals light and healthy. In addition, the steam oven evenly reheats leftovers without drying out food the way a microwave can. The baking function has 9 programs, from bread to cookies and even cakes. The multifunction oven combines grill, convection, and steam cooking modes to make your dishes tender and juicy on the inside while being browned and flavorful on the outside. This special air fry function is designed to fry foods with hot air without the mess or extra fat and calories from oil. Delicious and healthy foods for the whole family. This is the only appliance that you will need in your kitchen. Intelligent, easy to use, healthy meals. Brought to you by Winter.